Have a quick demo of how the OAuth system will work. So first we'll log into our demo portal, and once you get into the demo portal, we go to the admin panel on the left. With the admin panel, you will have an option called integrations, and where we have something called SSO integration. You go inside in SSO integration, you will have all the tools which have enabled through SSO access into the system. So let's suppose we pick up our Jupyter thing just to show how it is set up and how it looks like. We search for Jupyter. Jupyter is here, it's activated. If you go inside, the most important information for us to provide is, what will be the authorization grant and what will be the redirect URI after Provider AMS will authorize and authenticate the user. And the details, the secret key and the client ID are provided here, which you have to use in your deployment of the tools. And we'll give you a custom image for Jupyter Notebook to make it work with you. And you need to make sure this is activated because the tool has to be activated. For instance, if you do this, then you will have to get some assignees. So let's suppose I want to give access to myself to Jupyter Notebook. The user has been allocated. You can deactivate them whenever you want, and the moment you deactivate them, they will not be allowed to access anymore. So this is the way flow and control works. So for instance, what will happen for this case is, so when this data scientist is on models and he want to build a model, or he's building model, he will see what is the available tools with him, and one of them would be Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab. They can click to the URL where the Jupyter Lab is running, and now their access is controlled by the Provider AMS system. So the moment you click sign in with Provider, you are taken from here to the portal. The portal then authenticate you that yes, you are the right user, and once you are successfully authenticated, it will go back to Jupyter and it will load your exclusive notebook with your own space. And this way you can make sure that only the users which are supposed to access Jupyter Notebook and edit things, they only do it, and they go to their own spaces, so nothing of their get overlapped with anyone else. Once they are done, they can log out, and the next time they want to work on the same thing, they have to again come back to our system. So we have enabled all the tools that we have through one or different types of the proxy with SSO integration, and that can help you manage to evade any of the risks that can arise from unintended access or managing licenses, because proprietary tools you can also set up through our SSO integration. And once you add a user into this portal, this user can be delegated accordingly. So yeah, if you want to see a demo or if you want to register yourself, you can come to the demo portal and you can register by clicking it here. You can get to this ID and you can see, and if you want a customized demo, you can contact us. Thank you very much.